Hello friends, how are you? Let's start today's session. This program for JLPT N5 student, as you already know. Today we will learn Daishanka or lesson 3. This grammar we are going to learn in this lesson. Koko, Soko, Asoko, Kochira, Sochira, Achira, N1 wa N2, place, des, Doko, Dochira, N1 no N2. Now we will learn some vocabulary. Koko, Soko, Asoko, Doko, Kochira, Sochira, Achira, Dochira, Kyositsu, Sokudo, Jimuso, Kaigisitsu, Ukechuke, Robi, Heya, Kaidan, Toire or Otearai, Erebeta, Esukareta, Okuni, Kaisa, Uchi. Erebeta, Esukareta, Robi. If you learn in long pronunciation, it will be helpful when you write. Okay, the way we read, we only write that way. So, read correctly. Denwa, Ketai Denwa. Instead of Ketai Denwa, you can speak only Ketai. It is also mobile. Kutsu, Nekutai, wine, tobacco, uriba, chika, kai or gai. It is the counter of the floor. When you counting that which floor your house is, you can say ikkai, nikkai. If it is in third floor, it will become san gai. So here it is gai mentioned. Question is nan gai. Okay. Next. En, ikura, hyaku, sen, man. We already learned hyaku, sen, man in our lesson 1 class. Sumimasen, degozaimasu. Anything o misete kudasai. Ja, o kudasai. We will learn this vocabulary, how to use and where to use in this session. Okay. Let's start. In this lesson, we will learn Koko, Soko, Asoko, Kochira, Sochira, Achira. Koko, Soko, Asoko and Kochira, Sochira, Achira are demonstrative referring to the place. We already learned in lesson 2, Kore, Sore, Are are demonstrative referring to things. Here, same Koko, Soko, Asoko and Kochira, Sochira, Achira are demonstrative. Okay. So, they direct a wa particle after them. Koko is the place where speaker is. Soko is the place where listener is. And Asoko is the place far from both speaker and listener. Koko, Soko, Asoko and Kochira, Sochira, Achira both have same meaning, but Kochira, Sochira, Achira are demonstrative words referring to the direction and polite form. Okay. In sometimes we both speaker and listener in a one place. So that place refer as Koko. Little far from both speaker and listener is refer as Soko. Far from both speaker and listener refers as Asoko. Look at this picture. This is speaker's place because this person is speaking. So it is referred as Koko. This is listener's place. So it is referred as Soko. And this place is far from both speaker and listener. It is referred as Asoko. Okay. But sometimes speaker and listener both are same place. So it refers as Koko. Little far from both refers to Soko and far from both refers to Asoko. I hope you have understood this very nicely and clearly. Okay. Next, how to make the sentence with Koko, Soko, Asoko and Kochira, Sochira, Achira. Okay. This sentence pattern using to explain the place where a thing and a person is. Jimuso wa Asoko desu. The office is there. Tanaka-san wa kyoshichu desu. Miss Tanaka is in classroom. Uchi wa sangai desu. Sangai. My house is in 3rd floor. Sensei wa kaigishitsu desu. Teacher is in meeting room. Kaigi is meeting. Kaigishitsu is meeting room. Okay. Denwa wa soko desu. The telephone is there. Okay. You also make a small sentence like this. It will help you to improve your skill in this language. Please pause the video and write 2 or 3 sentences. Just before we learn how to make a positive sentence with using of Koko, Soko, Asoko and Kochira, Sochira, Achira. Now we will learn how to make question. Doko and Dochira. Both meaning is where. Okay. Let's make a sentence. Ote arai wa doko desu ka? Asoko desu. Doko desu ka? Asoko desu. Elevator wa dochira desu ka? Achira desu. Sato-san wa doko desu ka? Jimuso desu. Okay. Like this, you can also make sentence. Denwa wa doko desu ka? Tape recorder wa doko desu ka? Okay. Camera wa doko desu ka? Phone wa doko desu ka? Jiso wa doko desu ka? Shinbun wa doko desu ka? Okay. Tosokan wa dochira desu ka? This way. And also you ask like this. Here I written Sato-san wa doko desu ka? You can ask also Kimura-san wa doko desu ka? Mira-san wa doko desu ka? Like this way. So you know how to write or how to say a positive sentence refer to a place and how to put question refer to a place. Okay. Next. N1 no N2. In our daily life, we are using so many products. Take some examples. Specs, laptop, camera. If you are a player, you are using maybe tennis racket, ball, any sports item, bike, car. So, all products. When we say about the products, definitely it related to a company and also a country. So, we are going to learn about this right now. Look at here. N1 no N2. It explains that N1 is name of a country or company and N2 is name of a product. Okay. So, how to make a sentence? Kore wa Nihon no kuruma desu. Sore wa HP no computer desu. Ano nekutai wa Italiano desu. Are wa Doichi no kaban desu. Kore wa Kankoku no camera desu. Okay. Here you find kuruma is the product. Nihon no kuruma desu. Here we have computer. It is the product. HP. HP is the company name. This sentence make with ano as a modifier of a noun. So after that nekutai is comes. So necktie here nekutai is the product and country is Italia. Okay. Here you find kaban is the product and Deutsch. country name. Khamera, it is a product, and Kankoko, country name. So here we get every product related to a company or a country.
Hope you understand. Please make sentence this way.
Korewa Toyota no kuruma desu. You can say that way. Korewa Dell no computer desu. You can say that way. Korewa Lenovo no computer desu. This way you can also make. Okay.
Please pause the video and write this type of sentence 2 or 3. Please do it now. Do it.
Next, when you say about the product and company and country, definitely it comes to our mind how much money. So next learn Ikura. In this lesson we learn WH question pattern, Doko, Dochira and Ikura. Doko and Dochira meaning is where and Ikura is how much. Okay. Let's learn Sono kaban wa ikura desu ka? 1000 desu. Okay. That way you can say Sono kamera wa ikura desu ka? 2万円 desu. If you purchasing in Japan, if you purchasing in USA, it is doru. If you purchasing in India, it is rupee. So this currency you can change as per the country. Sono computer wa ikura desu ka? 3万円 desu. Okay. これはいくらですか ?200 円です。この本はいくらですか ?300 円です。So, this way you practice ikura. Let's see what we are going to learn in next. This is for you. Whatever you are learn, I have given over here. Please make sentence. Okay. You just make sentence over here and next you check with me whether it is correct or wrong. I hope all of you do the correctly because it is very simple form and I already mentioned how to make a sentence. Yamada-san wa koko desu. Sumimasen, Yamada-san wa doko desu ka? Hai, koko desu yo. Koko desu. Okay, it is example I have given over here. 1 and 2 here. Please do it. Please pause my video and do this. Done it? Good. Let's check. Soko wa ukechuke desu. As you know that koko, soko, asoko are demonstrative, so they take direct wa particle. So soko wa ukechuke desu. Asoko wa sokudo desu. Okay. Next. Here it is renshu or practice. There are some sentences are there. You will get the exactly in renshu A, renshu B and renshu C when you
enter to this course.
1番、ここは教室です。ここは学校です。ここは広島です。Look at here. 教室 is a room, small room. 学校 it is a building. No, that is thing. It means that place area is little bit more than Kyoshitsu. Hiroshima. You know all of you its name. This name Hiroshima. Kokoa we can use for every situation. Maybe a Kyoshitsu is a small room to a big city, big state or country. Okay. Next, Kaigisutsu wa koko desu. Kaigisutsu wa soko desu. Kaigisutsu wa asoko desu. Kaigisutsu wa doko desu ka? Like this you can practice also. When you want to, if you want to develop spoken Japanese, slowly from lesson 1 onwards also you try to speak this way. Small sentence but you speak, it will help you only spoken Japanese. Learning is a process. You can't get it in overnight. So please learn slowly, thoroughly. Okay? Yes, I believe that because learning is a process. It will go step by step. Once you cannot do anything. Okay? You have to learn. You can say also, ukechuke wa doko desu ka? Kyoshichi wa doko desu ka? Tosokan wa doko desu ka? Ginko wa doko desu ka? If you are a supermarket, you can ask so many questions. Chili sauce wa doko desu ka? Sato wa doko desu ka? Shio wa doko desu ka? Shio means salt. Sato means sugar. Next come, Kimura-san wa ukechuke desu. Kimura-san wa jimusou desu. Kimura-san wa robi desu. Kimura-san wa doko desu ka? Where is Miss Kimura? Okay. Like this you can ask, Sato-san wa doko desu ka? Sumit-san wa doko desu ka? Sanket-san wa doko desu ka? Santosh-san wa doko desu ka? Maria-san wa doko desu ka? Like this. Next comes to here. Elevator wa kochira desu. Elevator wa sochira desu. Elevator wa achira desu. Elevator wa dochira desu ka? Next, kore wa Nihon no jidosha desu. Jidosha, also car and also automobile it refers. Kuruma also car. Okay. Kore wa Nihon no jidosha desu. Kore wa Indo no jidosha desu. Kore wa Doichi no jidosha desu. Kore wa doko no jidosha desu ka?
Like this, you can also practice this way.
それはどこのネクタイですか? どこのカバンですか? どこの車ですか? Next, このネクタイは1400円です。このネクタイは2000円です。このネクタイは3200円です。このネクタイはいくらですか?
Please practice this way how to put questions price of a product.
花はいくらですか? Flower. 花 is flower. この本はいくらですか? How much this book? このラジオはいくらですか? このカメラはいくらですか? You can change このそのas per the situation of the things. Like this you can ask the price. Okay? Look at here. Ko series, so series, a series. Okay? Ko series always refers to a thing, place or person near to the speakers. Place. So series is refer to a things, place
And person near to the listener. And a series refers to thing, place and person which are far from both speaker and listener.
Those series is questionnaire. Okay. So kore, sore, are, it used only for things. So question is dore. We will learn in lesson 8. Okay. Then we can get it. Next, kono, sono, ano. As you know, they are modifying noun. They using for thing and person for both. And question is dono. We learn in lesson 16. Okay. Koko, soko, asoko refers to place. It is for place. And question is doko. We already learned in this lesson only. Meaning is where. Kochira, sochira, achira. This is also same meaning to refers to the place, but it using with direction and polite form. Okay. And question is dochira, meaning is where. We already learned in this lesson. Hope you understand. Let's see what is the next. Kaiwa, conversation. Okay, let's start. A-san to B-san. sumimasen, toire wa doko desu ka? Asoko desu. Domo. Like this you can ask, sumimasen, kai desu wa doko desu ka? Asoko desu. Domo or arigatou gozaimasu. Okay. Next come to second. A san to B san. Kaisa wa dochira desu ka? Pawa denki desu. Nan no kaisa desu ka? Computer no kaisa desu. Okay? Nan no. Nan no kaisa desu ka? What kind of company it is? Computer no kaisa desu. It is computers company. Okay? Next comes to Sanban. Kore wa doko no kamera desu ka? Nihon no desu. Doko. Doko no kamera. Nihon no desu. Ikura desu ka? Niman, nissen, 500 yen desu. Okay? Niman, nissen, 500 yen desu. Okay? Like this, if you have anyone with you, practice with that person. If you don't have, make your two hands as A san, B san, and you practice this way. Okay? Like this. Sumimasen, toire wa doko desu ka? Asoko desu. Domo. 2番、会社はどちらですか？パワー電気です。何の会社ですか？コンピュータの会社です。Okay? So what happen? You will, in this way, you will put question and also you give answer. So both way you develop your spoken. Next. これはどこのカメラですか？日本のです。いくらですか？22,500 円です。Okay? Where you practice to write the sentence and also you practice spoken. So it will help you to enhance your skill. Okay? As you know, practice makes you perfect. So please practice to get perfect in Japanese language. Okay? Next comes to kanji. Meaning of the kanji is car, kunyomi, kuruma, onyomi, sa. Kuruma, car, jidosa, an automobile or car. Meaning of this kanji is gate, kunyomi, kado, onyomi, mon. As it is written in the bracket, it is okay if you don't remember. Only mon dake daijobu desu. Daijobu desu means it's okay. Fine. Mon, gate, senmon, a speciality. The next kanji meaning is fire. Kunyomi, he, onyomi, ka. He, fire. Kayobi, Tuesday. The meaning of the next kanji is water. Kunyomi, mizu, onyomi, sui. Mizu, water. Suiden, a rice field. My dear friends, you know that there is a separate kanji videos of JLPT N5 course. Please go through that. You will get the writing pattern, stroke orders, and also so many others words also there and sentence also be there. It will be help you more. Okay? I am just giving few kanjis in every lessons because you will get habituated to learn kanjis along with the lesson. It will be a very good process to develop your Japanese skill. Hope this class help you to enhance your knowledge. Thank you so much for watching this class. Let's meet you with new knowledge in a new lesson in next class. Till that time, stay healthy, stay safe. Sayonara. Goodbye.